Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one new face pack by using a new fruit. You all can see what is this fruit, guys. I think most of you know about this fruit and most of them also don't know what is this fruit. This fruit we are called here as a kaka fruit. The other name of this kaka fruit is called as persimmon, which is the Japanese national fruit is persimmon. In Urdu it is called as amlo. So this fruit is having lot of benefit. This fruit is having lot of benefit which is good for our skin, which is good for our health. This fruit is loaded with nutrients, excellent source of powerful antioxidant also. It may benefit for heart health also. It may helps to reduce your inflammation. It is rich in fiber. It will support to your health vision also. It is the taste of this fruit is so delicious like a honey. So and it is full of vitamin C and powerful antioxidant. So guys, come let's start without wasting our time. So first I am going to take this one fruit. I am going to peel this. Taking this fruit 100 grams, it is having 118 calories. This fruit is full of sodium, carbs, fiber, sugar, protein, all and all. This fruit is very good for the diabetics also, guys. But as of now we are not going to talk about the health. We are going to make a face pack. So I have peeled this fruit. Now I am going to grind this in a fine matter. If it's now we want only pulp, guys, so I am not going to add any water in it. Just I am going to grind. Can you see this? I have grind it finely. Now I am going to take it out in a bowl. See guys, here I am having a fresh aloe vera leaf. So my second ingredient is aloe vera. Here I have taken one aloe vera leaf, one small piece of aloe vera. Wherever you are going, guys, don't forget to have a small plant of aloe vera, because aloe vera is having loads and loads of benefits, which is good for our skin as well as for our hairs as well as for our body also. It is having lot of vitamins. It will soothe sunburn. Aloe vera gel has cooling properties and as well as anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to keep our skin moisture. It is good for healing the wounds. It will fight with the aging. It will reduce the infection of acne. Those are having acne problem, no, if you are using regularly aloe vera, you can see all your acne problem will sort out. It will blemishes your face. And also it is good for, I think you have seen most of my videos I have made with aloe vera for face and hairs also. It is good for hair and scalp also. Important main thing I want to tell you about aloe vera, guys. Aloe vera contains 75 potentially active vitamins, enzymes, minerals, sugar, lignin, so many things, salicylic acid, ammonia acid. We no need to add separate acid. Everything is available in this aloe vera itself. It is full of vitamin C, E, and oxidant or antioxidant also. It is contains vitamin B also, folic acid and choline also. So guys, I have pasted both the ingredients together. You can see I have pasted it finely. If it's little bit thick, means you have to grind it little more without adding water. So my next ingredient is, you can see guys, now I am going to add honey in it. As I have told you in my previous videos also, honey is one of the nature's most revered skin remedy. It is having antibacterial and antiseptic abilities. It may benefit oily and acne prone skin. Honey is also a natural humectant which helps to keep the skin moisture but not oily. So here, if you are having oily skin also, you can use honey. No matters, you don't think that your skin will become more oily. Nothing to worry, honey is a nature's gift. So we have to get benefit with the nature ingredients, guys. So it is good for our skin. It is having lot of benefit. It will fight with acne. It delays aging. It improves complexion. It works as a good moisture also. It exfoliates. It beats with the dry skin. Those who are having dry skin, don't forget to use honey in your face pack. So guys, here I have added all my 3 ingredients. Well, in this pack I am not going to add more ingredients. Here I am going to add very less ingredients, whichever is available at home. Only here we required kaka fruit and aloe vera leaf. If you are not having fresh aloe vera leaf, you can use the market gel also, no matter. But if you are using the fresh aloe vera leaf, you will get more benefit. And honey, that's it. All these things here I had used all the natural ingredients. It is very useful. Apply this pack on your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel.